Hello students, today we are going to start our third prose, and that is values in life, and the author of this prose lesson is Rudyard Kipling. So open your books, page number 14. On this page number, first paragraph of summary. Now listen carefully. This is the speech of Rudyard Kipling. So whatever we are going to learn in this lesson, values in life, that is a speech which was given by Rudyard Kipling. He delivered this speech in the year 1907 to the student of M.C. Gill University. So in 1907 in M.C. Gill University, he had given his speech. That speech we are going to study here as a third prose. He thinks that it is penalty. Penalty means punishment. He thinks that it is penalty for the youth as they have to listen to this speech. So, in a comical way, in a funny way, he told all the students that it is a punishment for the student, for the youth, for the young students to listen speech in a hall, because every student or every young student want to live a free life, but if they are forced to listen any speech, so they irritate for that speech. In the youth, human beings are gifted with certain characteristics and privilege. Characteristics, it means typical or distinctive quality, and privilege it means special right or advantage enjoyed. So according to Rudyard Kipling, he said that in the youth, in the young age, human beings are gifted with certain specific different kind of characters or different kind of quality or privilege. They need advantage, special right, they want to enjoy their advantage, their freedom. Anybody will feel envy of it. Envy, it means feeling of ill will. Ill, it means bad, will, it means desire. Envy of it. So anybody, if that person is not young person, so that person will envy, feel very, will have some ill feelings, bad feeling about the young person. As a penalty for such enviable features, youth have to listen people who are older and known as wiser. So, if you are thinking it is penalty, it is punishment, but it is very important for the youth to listen to the older people or to listen to the wiser people who are very talented. The students are youth, they have to pretend. Pretend, it means act as something is a case, but it is not. They have to pretend that they are listening to with high respect and interest. So, if you are young person, young student, and you want to listen any older person or any intelligent person, whatever he is trying to tell you. So, if you are feeling irritated, angry, but show that you are listening very respectfully that person's speech or that person's advice. However, the author frankly speaks out that truth is very rarely spoken in such functions. Rarely it means not frequently. Frequently it means again and again, many times. So he told that in this kind of speech or in this kind of function, nobody speak truth, or rarely anybody can speak truth. His speech too would not depart from. Depart from it means different from. Depart from this convention. Convention it means assembly. So he told that nobody speaks truth in this kind of functions, in this kind of speech or in this kind of assembly. So I am not different from that. Whatever I am going to tell you, in that few things will be true, few things will be false. He will also follow the same path, but he talk on certain matter being very truthful, and so student must pay attention to him. But finally he said in this first paragraph that he is going to discuss few matters which are very important for the students, and that students need to listen very carefully. They have to pay attention towards these things which are very important for the young student. So here this part ends and we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.